push down here. Okay. Look, there it comes. There's the spaghetti. You can take it off.
Oh,
Look at that.
look at that.
Should we make a sausage now?
Let's do that now. Let's do now. My big one.
Yeah, we're going to make a pig sausage. Here you go.
My sausage. Moggy.
No, we're not making morghetti. We're making sausage.
My sausage. Moggy.
Whoa! Look at that long sausage. You want to cut it off?
That off.
You can cut it. Okay, do you want to use the knife rather?
Now, what? Rubber.
Maybe use the... There you go. Let's cut it that way.
Hey Nathan, do you like your Play-Doh? Is it fun? Yeah.
Okay, what colour do you want? What colour do you want? Nathan. Choose what colour you want to go in there. Oh, that's good.
What colour are you going to make that one?
Oh dear. Circle?
It'll be at Y.
We could put the circle in that one.
Cool. That one.
What colour do you want to put in there?
That one. That circle.
Yeah, we can use that circle.
What colour do you want, Nathan?
That circle.
Yeah, but what
We're
colour?
making a circle, but what colour do you want to put in
Do
there?
you want to do it blue? Or green? Or pink?
Blue.
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Which is the blue one?
Blue circle.
Yeah, we're going to make a blue circle. Okay.
Cycle.
We need to put that in here.
Here. Here. Go here. On.
That's very good. Put the
You
lid
are
on.
so your mother's child.
That's very good.
Go the green.
There's the green one, yes.
Green now.
You're going to take a little blob and put it in there. Very good.
Circle there.
Wow! Blue sausage.
Put it up. Just put those ones back there. There you go.